Hello friends, so I've been thinking about my last winter trip to Manali and I came up with this jewel of a video. Yes, this video reminds me of my time in Manali when I visited Atal Tunnel and the places beyond the tunnel. There are many villages that come after the tunnel like Jaspa village and Darcha Pass, and I would like to show you some of my happy moments spent there. And also add on is that we did a little adventure in the Jaspa river over there, which you will see with our car, and we just had our car into the riverbed and we managed to bring it out somehow. You will see it in the video ahead if you continue watching it. So let's have some fun and remind us of the happy moments we all might have spent over there.
हेलो पीपल, सो आज हमारा मनाली में है डे 3 और आज हमने प्लान बनाया है अटल टनल जाने का। और अभी हम रास्ते में हैं। बहुत ज़्यादा भारी बारिश हो रही है, सुबह से बारिश हो रही है, आई थिंक रात से बारिश हो रही है और वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड है, टेम्परेचर्स बहुत डिप कर गए हैं और अटल टनल आने में अभी थोड़ा टाइम है और देखते हैं कितना मज़ा आएगा, कितनी स्नोफॉल वहाँ पर है, क्योंकि जो लोग गए हैं वो बता रहे हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है। सो हमें जाने भी नहीं। एक छोटा सा इशू ये भी है कि अगर बारिश हो रही है बहुत तेज़ तो अभी कुछ लोग जो गए हैं उन्होंने बताया है कि वो टनल बंद कर देते हैं, वो आगे जाने नहीं देते हैं। सो लेट्स सी, विल ट्राई आवर लक कि अगर बारिश है और हमें जाने दिया या नहीं जाने दिया तो हम देखते हैं जाके हमें जाने देंगे या अलाउ करेंगे या नहीं, क्योंकि सामने से जो गाड़ियाँ आ रही हैं जो मैं देख रही हूँ शायद वो टनल से ही होके आ रहे हैं, वो लोग घूम के आ रहे हैं, तो उनकी गाड़ी पे अच्छी खासी स्नोफॉल पड़ी हुई है। सो देखते हैं, ट्राई करके अपना लक, और अगर विल बी लकी इनफ देन आई विल अपडेट यू एंड गिव यू अ टूर ऑफ द अटल टनल थ्रू माय कैमरा। सी यू देयर। सो स्नो इज स्पॉटेड फाइनली, और ये देखिए रोड साइड पर स्नो है, रोड पर स्नो है, स्लीट भी फॉर्म हो रही है, ब्लैक आइस जिसको हम बोलते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी slippery for the tires. And now I think we are very close to the tunnel and I'm very excited, very thrilled, because I've never ever seen the tunnel till now. Today it will be for the first time that I'll be seeing the tunnel, and I'm really excited with this snow thing, and see how it is just flowing towards the windshield, the snow, the ice, you can see that. And here it is. The car is pulling harder because of the low pressure of air and also because of the lack of oxygen in the air. Okay, fine. We catch up with the tunnel now. So we have just crossed the Palchan Bridge, and the landmark said that the Atal Tunnel is still 14 kilometers ahead, and weather is again dicey. It's raining heavily, so we are going towards Solang Valley. We are currently in Solang Valley, exactly, to be precise, and 14 kilometers, and it's raining. Let me show you. तो अभी अटल टनल सिर्फ 2 किलोमीटर दूर रह गई है हमारे यहाँ से, जहाँ से जिस लोकेशन पे भी हम हैं, और ऑलरेडी हमें माउंटेन्स पे और रोड साइड पे स्नो दिखाई दे रही है। और ये पीछे मेरा प्यारा सा बच्चा है जो वीडियो में देख रहा है, झांक रहा है, और ये स्नो के लिए पूरा एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि इस बच्चे को स्नो में स्नोमैन बनाना है। ओह शिट, और हम कैरेट तो लाना भूल ही गए जिससे ये कैरेट लगाएगी स्नोमैन की नोज पे। ओह माय गॉड, अद्विका, व्हाट विल वी डू नाउ? ओके, फाइनली we'll reach the tunnel and then we will have a look at the snow and then we'll try to make a snowman in the snow for my little Advika. So see you guys there near the tunnel.
It's quite a tough shot for me since I was holding my gimbal out of the window with my hand and my hand was almost freezing. It was almost freezing. My fingers were already jammed at the gimbal handle. The moment we crossed the tunnel, the world was totally different. It was unthinkable and it was so beautiful beyond the tunnel, that something which we never see, and most of the time we just see such things only in movies. It was just unimaginable and wonderful. There was snow all around and mountains all covered with snow, and it was really, really beautiful. It was mesmerizing, beautiful. We continued driving through villages after villages, and everything was so peaceful, so serene, so beautiful. It was really, really nice to be there and to drive on those roads with minimum of traffic and with lots and lots of beautiful scenic beauty all around us, that I was really happy to be there. And I just kept on shooting it with my camera so that I can record it and keep it for my memories, and I really enjoyed being there at that time. I particularly love Jispa village because of the riverbed it has, and also we did some off-roading also in Jispa village in the riverbed, and we just brought our car into the riverbed, which you will see in the video further, and we had a lot of fun and a little adventure over there with our car in Jispa riverbed, and it was really fun. Jispa has a different sort of geography and a different sort of scenic beauty to it, which other villages do not have, or maybe I didn't find such beauty in other villages, which I found in Jispa, because it's very huge and very vast, and the mountains and the rivers, everything makes it very, very beautiful. And if you visit Jispa, you will just feel like staying up there for some time. So there are many hotels and many homestays that have come up now in Jispa as well, where you can put up and you can enjoy the scenic beauty over there. You can have a stay for a day or two in Jispa as well. Dacha was the next village which came after Jispa, and we really had a good time in Dacha as well. There was some small shops there where we had Maggie and other things, and we had some omelette and Maggie over there, and also we had a dry riverbed over in Dacha. Basically there was no water in the river as such, and there was all snow and a little stream per se when where we got our car onto the riverbed, and we had some fun over there, and my child, she really enjoyed being there in the snow. And see, this is our car. We came and brought it down to the riverbed, which was very huge and vast riverbed. So you just imagine when the river is in full flow, then how much water does it contain at that particular time. So it was really nice being in Dacha as well. It was already 2 p.m. when we were in Darcha, and we had plans of moving up ahead till Balachala Pass, but then we had to decide between either going back to Manali to our base camp or to go further to Balachala, but then we decided to do otherwise, and we planned to came back to Manali, and we just had some fun in Darcha, that's it. And then we planned and we came back to Manali, because if we would have planned on to continue further our journey to Balachala, then it would have been a little problem, because if you get stuck over there, then you cannot do without having a proper booking or a homestay or anything like that. And with a child and a family along with you, you cannot imagine to go things go wrong. So unfortunately, we came back to Manali after having fun till Darcha Pass, and then we came back to Manali. So it was really nice being there, and maybe I'll go to Balachala Pass once again, though I visited it once before as well. So it was really nice that way. The most interesting part was our little adventure in Jispa and the river, where we brought our car to the riverbed and then down into the river stream, and then we drove it into the river stream, though it got stuck a little bit at one place, but Ankur managed to bring it back somehow, and it was really nice to do such a fun thing there. And also we did some driving in the snow itself, outside the riverbed on the snow itself. It was really nice. I also did a little driving off there, and it was really fun, and I really enjoyed that part, shooting the part and seeing my car go down into the riverbed and then coming out of it. It was really a fun and adventure thing to do. So guys, that was all about my trip to the Atal Tunnel and beyond. I hope you liked it, and please let me know in the comment section below, how did you find my trip to the Atal Tunnel and how did you find this video. I'll be waiting for your comments and your motivations, and I'll continue giving you some more updates about my Manali trip further.